Mastering at for specific times. Unlocking the secrets of English prepositions. Hello, English language learners around the world. Welcome to another exciting lesson on prepositions. Today, we will focus on the usage of the preposition at for specific times. Yes, we will delve deep into using at for clock times, and by the end of this video, you will be more comfortable using at to denote specific times. Let's get started. So, what does it mean when we use at for specific times? We use the preposition at when we refer to precise times on the clock. This can be any moment throughout the day, such as at 7 a.m., at noon, at midnight, at 3:15 p.m., and so on. In essence, the preposition at helps us to specify exact points in time. Here are a few examples. I wake up at 6 a.m. every morning. Let's meet at noon for lunch. The fireworks start at midnight on New Year's Eve. The meeting is scheduled to start at 3:15 p.m. today. Just when you thought you had it all figured out, English throws you a curveball. There is one notable exception to using at for specific times, and that is with night. When referring to the whole evening or the concept of night, we use in the evening or at night. For example, we will go to the movies in the evening. The stars are visible at night. But when you specify a precise time during the night, at comes back into play. I usually go to bed at 10:30 p.m. And that's a wrap on using at for specific times, folks. Remember, it's all about specifying an exact point in time. And keep in mind that one little exception with night. Keep practicing these rules. Use at with confidence when discussing specific times, and you'll be well on your way to mastering English prepositions. Thank you for joining me in this lesson. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.